What's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to cook the giant cabbage roll, and this is going to be super tasty. So let's just show you the ingredients first. The thing that we need first is the cabbage leaves. Then we need is mashed chicken. Then what we need is mashed potatoes, like it. Then we need is tomato paste, and after that we need is chopped curly. Then we need ginger paste next. Then we need chopped onions and cumin. Then at the end we need egg, only one egg, and flour. So without talking much, let's start the cooking. Oh yeah! So at the beginning we have to mix the cumin and chopped onions into the oil and fry it properly. The way I'm frying it, you have to fry it at the same manner. You're gonna fry it at your own style, and if you want to add anything extra in this paste, you can add it, no problem. So after that we have to add the ginger paste and mix them together. Then we have to mix the chicken that I have made, show you in the ingredient list, and fry it with the onions and the ginger paste, all the things together. So after that we have to put salt according to our need, and we have to put the tomato paste that I have shown you before into this chicken recipe. Then after that we have to use the potatoes, mashed potatoes that I have shown you in the ingredients list, and then mix it with the chicken and the onions properly and fry it properly. So after that my frying is complete, and it looks so delicious in this way. I want to eat it now, but sorry, I can eat it now because I have to eat it with the cabbage. Now it's time to boil the cabbage leaves. Let's rock. Okay, in this way you have, first of all, what you need, I forget to say you have to boil the water and put the cabbage leaves into the boiled water and put a cover over them. Then our boiled cabbage is ready. The leaves will look like this. Don't cook it more than 5 minutes. Only cook it for 5 minutes. And now I'm going to show you how to make the giant cabbage roll. At first what we need is to put the chicken in the middle of the cabbage leaf, and then we have to make the roll. Okay, first of all, what amount of chicken you need, you have to put it, and then you have to make a roll like this that I'm making. Okay, do like this. I'm showing you in a slow motion. Okay, in this way. Oh my god, that looks so great and fantastic. Wow. You can also eat it in this way if you like this boiled cabbage, but I'm going to fry it because I don't like it. Okay, then the cabbage is ready. Anyway, let me show you a superb magic. Oh my god, I have made one into three. That's cool, I like it. And now it's time to fry it. Oh, look at this. This is looking so tasty without frying. Okay, no problem. So let's make the flour paste. So first of all we have to put the egg into the flour and beat it in this way I'm doing. Okay, so beat it till the paste is too gravy look like. Okay, the paste is ready, and I'm going to put the paste into my cabbage roll, and let's fry it together. Let's rock. Oh yeah! So in this way you have to put this cabbage roll into the oil, and my frying is little bit ready, and you have to fry it in this red way. Now the time has come to serve. Oh my god, OMG. The food is ready and looking so delicious and tasty. Guys, believe me, the taste was so awesome and so good. So if you really want this food, please try it at your home. You will really love this. And guys, please be sure that you have subscribed my channel, and don't forget to put a like into my video if you really like, because it inspires me a lot. Thank you very much once again.